How to crochet cluster stitch. A cluster is a group of stitches worked into the same stitch, then joined together at the top. In this video, we'll show you how to make a 3 double crochet cluster, US terminology, abbreviated to 3DC-CL in patterns. Follow your pattern until you reach the next cluster. Start with a yarn over, then insert your hook into the next stitch and draw a loop through. You'll now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook. You'll now have 2 loops remaining on your hook. We'll keep these 2 loops on our hook and start another double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and draw through a loop. Yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook. You'll now have 3 loops on your hook. Again, we're leaving this double crochet like this, without completing it. And we'll work 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch and draw a loop through. Yarn over and draw through the first 2 loops on your hook. You'll now have 4 loops on your hook. To complete the cluster stitch, we'll yarn over once more, then draw your yarn through all 4 loops. You have now created a 3 double crochet cluster. Top tip: each pattern will specify which stitches to use and how many stitches to make to create the cluster.